Kungaloosh, everybody, and welcome to Wrestlemania Night 1. This is the first time that wrestling fans have been in attendance that aren't invited guests or whatever that you've seen of other matches. And I'm not alone today. I am joined by a good friend of mine who actually invited me to go along with him out of the blue. We got Justin Monorail.
What's up, everybody?
He's chauffeuring me around. We're trying to find our parking spot right now. The stadium is back that way, and guys, we are in for a heck of a night. We're also, it's gonna be a wet night as well. This might be the first WrestleMania where it rains. So, all right, looks like we have our parking spot. Let's figure out what's going on after that. Here we are across the street, getting ready to park at Raymond James Stadium, home of the Super Bowl champion Bucks. Sorry if you're a Chiefs fan or anybody else.
Or just a Brady hater.
Or a Brady hater, anybody who doesn't like the Bucks. Can you believe it, Justin? We were that close. Look how close we were.
I literally went out there.
Yeah.
I was there for a good 30 seconds.
Yep. We were out there for just a short amount of time, and you know what? I could see the cardboard cutouts. They are swaying in the wind. We just got here, and they told us we had to get underneath because of torrential bad weather. I mean, look at this. This area, it's like a hurricane's about to hit. The show hasn't even started yet. You don't think they'll cancel WrestleMania, do you?
Surely not. That would not be a WrestleMania moment.
Yeah, wow. I decided to go in my normal Skipper Bob attire with the Hawaiian shirt and the fedora, which is not a good idea when it's too windy. The hat's already flown off once. You can see a little scuff mark already. So maybe it'll pass. Maybe they'll let us in. I don't know. That's it. It's starting to rain now. You could, well, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I could see with my own eyes misting blowing around pretty heavily, and I'll see some debris flying around out there. But the cardboard cutouts of people,
they're having a party.
They're having a party. They are headbanging. Metallica's apparently playing out there. I just don't hear them very well. They are headbanging like crazy. You know, it just so happened that we picked this area to stand underneath the bleachers. It looks like a former, I'm not sure what, like, patch job place, but we noticed around here, around the corner, you could see a live feed of a camera up in the top portion of the stadium. And yeah, it's raining now. Oh boy. Can you wrestle in the rain? Alright, check this out. This is as far as I can go without getting soaked. The stadium is getting, like, the equipment is getting drenched. This isn't good. This is not good at all. I know those lighting equipment, the sound equipment, and even look at the main screen there. It's kind of glitching out, because I don't know if that's because of rain or what. But oh man, this ain't good. And you know what the sad thing is? Because I'm a Floridian, yeah. I'm used to, like, thunderstorms and rainstorms, whatever. Yep. I would go out, I'd sit in this.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. This, last I looked this morning, this wasn't supposed to start till 7, and look at that.
Oh, look. There's a little clear band.
Oh, and you know, that might be the end of it.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, but that's not till like 10 o'clock. That's...
The heavy stuff is
it looks like it
now.
clears up around 8. So we might be here for a while. Maybe there'll be a delayed start at worst. Okay, we went up an elevator to the first floor, and this is where all the activity is, apparently. Oh, you can see the stands pretty well from up here, and it looks like the rain has actually let loose. But we're going to try and get to a merchandise stand over there, which I'm sure is busy as hell. See if there's some swag we can get. All right, here is the merchandise shop we found. Unfortunately, there's a bit of a line that seems to go on for about a football field. All right, so they are letting people in, but Justin and I are thinking that they're not going to let people stay there for long. So we're going to stay in the merch line so we can get a good idea of what's for sale. A lot of people are getting out of line still, so maybe, we'll see. It's windy. The production center over here is under a canopy. Is that what? Is that what that is? A production center? I guess it is. I guess that's what it is, but I still haven't seen the field. I still don't know what the stage looks like. I've seen some photos on Twitter of what people in helicopters have taken, but it looks like they're kicking people out again. Oh no, everyone's coming out. All right, got to be really careful with this because I need my hat over the camera because as you can see, it's still raining. Look at this. They got a pirate ship up there. And I'm standing at my seat and you can see the ring really well. Everything's covered up. Here's Justin. He's going to sit a few rows ahead of me. And look how they've tarped off for social distancing. Oh my goodness. I'm here. It's WrestleMania. Oh my God. Usually they don't let you record video. I don't think they care right now. Oh wow, this is so cool, guys. Look at the boat. Look at the boat. I bet you that fires off pyro or something. That's gonna be so cool. Justin, how far do you think we are from the ring? How many feet?
I'm gonna say about 100 feet.
About 100 feet? That sounds about right. And I was worried that these pylons, these giant pylons, were going to block the view. But they spaced it out. I'm more worried about, you can see the ramp down there. You can see crews are just all over the place trying to bag up stuff, trying to cover stuff. Look at some of that. See that grass that's bleeding through? That's like that in a few places down here. That is Super Bowl champion grass right there. They played the Super Bowl on that just a couple of weeks ago. We're all taking note of this bulge of water that's been built up in the tarp that was used to protect the ring, which is literally right under the dead center of the ring. Can you imagine if that ruptures during any point of the night or tomorrow night? They'll probably rupture it overnight just to get it out because it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. Oh yeah, and there's the ring or the cage for the Shane and Braun match, and you can see they are having some software issues. That's not the monitor isn't out. I could see that there's some stuff on the monitor working. It's a software issue that could be from rain related as well. Oh, we got lights going. Yeah, they're testing a lot of stuff. They have the wind cables they're starting to take those down. Just they had like some port struts up in case the wind got really bad. It never got too bad. You know what the good thing about these little dividers is? It's perfect for holding your beer. It's all the performers coming out to say hello to the fans.
This past year, our WWE superstars performed tirelessly for all of you. Week after week, month after month, we all knew there was something missing, something very important, the most important. That would be all of you, our fans, the WWE. As we emerge from this dreadful pandemic, on behalf of our entire WWE family, we would simply like to say thank you and welcome you to WrestleMania!
I'm a little emotional right now.
For those with club access seats, you may walk up the stairs and into the
They're
club
kicking us out right at the top of the show.
If you are seated on the floor, please make your way through the tunnel C and D. If you are sitting at the 100 level, please proceed up to the main
Oh my
concourse
God.
and ramps.
It's not a joke. I thought it was a joke. I thought we were getting worked.
This time.
Unreal. The show starts. It literally started, and they want to kick us out. Oh yeah, here's the cardboard cutouts. You know, all you folks got to go. Yeah, there's a lot of people just sitting in their seats. Is anyone on the floor just sitting still? No, it looks like everyone on the floor looks like they've at least got out of their chairs. It is raining again, but thank God they have us all huddled together and not where we were socially separated out in the stadium. Thank God.
On Mount Rushmore.
It's still raining, and we're holding WrestleMania.
I guess
I got my poncho back on, and we're starting with the WWE title match. Look at the lights. You can see the rain it's still coming down, and we're going to have WrestleMania in the rain. This is amazing. I have a feeling this is going to be my view for the entire night. I'm noticing it's still raining. They didn't mop up any of the water outside the ring, and the announcers aren't sitting at their desk anymore. They're standing in front of it. That's them right there in the center. And they're tracking in all this water when they go outside from the bottom of their shoes. And also, the collection of water up in that plastic bubble, it's bigger. That sucker's gonna rupture. It's right above them. I'm at Wrestlemania and I'm having a Mai Tai. This can't be any better. Going on here. Is it 100 M&M's? No. Is it 100 John Cena's? No. It's 100 Easter bunnies.
This is for a collar, he's good after he took me, no spot on my desk, whoa!
The following contest is a tag team match scheduled for one fall.
About to have the SmackDown Women's Championship match, and probably the first time ever that two people of color have main evented a WrestleMania. This is historic.
For the SmackDown Women's Championship.
I'm on my own, against the wall. The pressure's building, but no, I will never fall. They said I'm trying, they hear me roar. And now I see that I'm way better than before. I never needed you at all. When I fall down, I'ma watch you fall down. I never needed you at all. Watch me shine. I never needed you at all.
new champ of WWE.
This crowd loves it. There's multiple chants for both of them. That is it. Thank you, Raymond James. Thank you, Tampa Bay, for hosting the first fan-attended wrestling event in over a year. All right, I'm still wearing my mask. I'm inside the car. I can take it off. I think I'm safe here. Justin.
Yes, sir.
Your first WrestleMania, sir.
It was.
And what did you think of your first WrestleMania?
Oh my gosh, the spectacle really delivered. I mean, it was unusual for a couple of reasons. We had the weather that we were contending with, and then also just the COVID protocols, the mask, the spacing.
Yeah.
Made it feel a little bit unusual, but at the same time, like, it's undeniable that the energy, the pageantry, it all delivered. It was a lot of fun.
Why don't you check out the Morning Monorail Podcast with the Monorail family over here, or just Justin right now. But yeah, it's a great podcast. I thoroughly enjoy it. You will too if you love anything Disney and that other park that shall not be named. Well, you guys talk about it once in a while. But check them out. Like and subscribe to my channel, to his channel, to all the channels. You know the deal. Thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll catch you on the flip side. We're in the red light district apparently.